In this module, we'll look at the compressors used in the mechanical refrigeration cycles. Mechanical compression cycles use either positive displacement or non-positive displacement compressors to compress the refrigerant vapor. Positive displacement compressors increase pressure by mechanically reducing the volume of refrigerant vapor trapped in the compression chamber. A non-positive displacement compressor obtains compression without reducing the internal volume of the compression chamber. The following selections will discuss the operations of positive and non-positive displacement compressors. To continue, please make your selection.